Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a smartphone enthusiast or just someone who loves staying ahead in tech, you're in for a treat today. Because Oppo just dropped something truly next level. Say hello to the brand new Oppo Find X8s Plus. Let's dive right into it. First things first, the design. The Oppo Find X8s Plus is absolutely stunning. It rocks a sleek, ultra-premium glass and metal finish that feels as good in the hand as it looks. It's slim and lightweight, but it still manages to feel solid and luxurious. And that curved display, it just melts into the frame. You can tell Oppo didn't cut any corners here. Available in a range of eye-catching colors, from classic black to bold ocean blue, this phone is designed to stand out. Now, let's talk display. We're looking at a 6.59-inch AMOLED display with a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate and 2K resolution. Colors are vibrant, blacks are deep, and brightness is off the charts. Perfect for watching content, gaming, or just scrolling through your socials. Additionally, with HDR10 Plus support, you're getting a cinematic viewing experience right in your hands. Under the hood, the Find X8s Plus is powered by the mighty MediaTek Dimensity 9400 Plus processor, paired with up to 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of UFS 4.0 storage. This thing flies. Multitasking is a breeze, high-end games run flawlessly, and the overall performance is just top tier. And with Oppo's new cooling system, even extended gaming sessions stay cool and smooth. Let's get to the part everyone's waiting for: the camera. The Find X8s Plus features a triple-lens setup co-engineered with Hasselblad. A 50MP main sensor with OIS a 50MP ultra-wide and an 50MP periscope telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom. Photos are rich in detail, low-light shots look incredible thanks to AI night mode, and portraits? Chef's kiss. This camera competes with the very best in the game. Plus, 4K video with cinematic color grading gives your content a professional look. Battery life. No worries. The Find X8s Plus packs a 6000 mAh battery that easily lasts a full day, even with heavy use. And when you do need to charge, you've got Oppo's blazing fast 80W SuperVOOC charging, plus 50W wireless charging. 0 to 100 in under 30 minutes. That's wild. On the software side, you get ColorOS 15 based on Android 15, clean, smooth, and packed with smart features. There's also an in-display fingerprint sensor, stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos, IP68 water and dust resistance, and full 5G support. So, is the Oppo Find X8s Plus worth it? Absolutely. It's a flagship in every sense: stunning design, powerhouse performance, pro-level cameras, and lightning-fast charging. If you're looking for one of the best Android phones of the year, this one should definitely be on your radar. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon if you enjoyed this breakdown. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.